Hello everyone, I'm continuing to the task 2 and once again I want to introduce myself. I'm Kishore Kumar and I'm in data science and business analytics internship at Smart Foundation. And second task is from the given dataset, that is iris dataset, we have to predict the optimum number of cluster and represent it visually. That means number of times the cluster what represented in we need to predict as visually. So as usual, I'm importing the basic libraries, numpys, and pointers and matplotlib. Okay, then I have imported my dataset and I want to see my dataset. So I have declared here, and here I conclude my dataset as unwanted columns are there. So I want to drop that. Exactly, I want sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal width. So I don't want ID and species column. So I want to drop that. So here that's a code for drop, data drop, and species ID. These columns and all I want to drop. Why I am here mentioning axis equal to 1 means axis equal to 1 means that is a column. I want to drop that columns and all. Without mentioning this, we can't drop. So here exactly axis not found. So we need we must mention axis equal to 1. So then only we can get sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal. Okay. Then I want to convert it as array. So this is the code for that. And I location that colon comma means colon comma afterward all the values of columns are. So this colon comma is before that colon means there is a row. After that colon means there is a column. So all the columns I want to convert as array. You just see example. Okay, see this. Everything is converted as array. Okay, okay. Then I want. Then they mentioned clusters. Okay, so I want to import KMeans cluster. So sklearn.cluster import KMeans. Okay. First of all, I want to clustering as 10 times. So here I here I mentioned a for loop to get that, which is of range function 1 to 11 means that means 1 to 10. Okay, I just mentioned here as km as k means and then cluster. I just this k as mentioned here how many times and this max iteration as 300. These and all these and all built-in parameters in KMeans. So just see as shift plus tab. See here, all of the inbuilt ones. We have mentioned here few. We mentioned here few only. That means init and max iteration, then n cluster, this and all. Okay. Then I want to fit my model and append it on this empty list. I mean that empty array. Then plot it as I want to elbow shape, so that's why I'm taking this range and this range and all. Then see my output here exactly 2 and 2.5. I got the answer. Then k-means cluster. I want to fit predict my model, so I mentioned here again. Here I want just here I mentioned just 3 cluster. Then as usual, fit predict model. Then yeah, here this is the important and last step for this that prediction model. Why I'm mentioning these and all here. First of all, have iris setosa, iris setosa. That means species types: setosa, versicolor, and virginica. These all are combined together. So I want to separate it as, then only I can able to acute, I can able to find the score. Okay, so that's why I'm here doing this and all. This is mentioned as YK means this is 0 comma 1. Just you understand like this. This is as 0 comma 1. Okay, so I mentioned here like this, and 1 comma 1 means versicolor, and especially 0 comma 1 means setosa, and 2 comma 1 means that is virginic. So here all are combined together. Okay, so I want to separate it as with use of one centroid. Um, One centroid means which is of the centroid only that clusters form together. So that's why I am here mentioned as KMeans cluster centroid. Then this is all size. Yes, equal to 100 means this is all size. I want this size. Okay, so that's why. And this line is figure size. Might be everyone knows. Yeah, see here, amazing separated visualization we get it. This black color is the centroid, and these and all Percy colors, Setosa, and Virginica. This is the task they asked. I've completed successfully, and thank you so much.